Hi, I'm Jen from This Old House, and today I'm showing how to build an underbed storage drawer. If you're in need of extra storage, this underbed storage drawer is the perfect solution. This project is made from a box and the drawer it holds to create a low profile and tidy looking storage solution. To build your own, cut the 1x6 and 1x8 boards to length using a miter saw and the cut list on thisoldhouse.com. Next, use a circular saw to trim the plywood that will later become the base of the slide-out drawer. Also trim the height of the drawer front board so it can close without binding between the floor and the top of the box. Now use a jig to drill pocket holes in the boards as noted on the drawings on thisoldhouse.com. Note that while some pocket holes are positioned along the ends of the boards, there are others that fall along the edge of the board to connect to adjoining pieces. Once complete, drill pocket holes along the edges of the plywood drawer base. To start assembling the box, first apply glue and join the back wall to the side walls using 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. Now set the assembly onto the underside of the 1/2 inch thick plywood top. Use 1 inch pocket hole screws to screw the back and side walls to the plywood top. Now add the 1x8 and 1x6 support boards flush with the bottom of the side walls using 1 1/4 inch pocket hole screws. There is no real reason these boards are different sizes other than to make use of leftovers from the rest of the project. Now flip the box over and set it aside. To assemble the drawer, apply glue and attach the plywood drawer bottom to the back wall. Now attach the drawer sides to the bottom and the back wall to finish the drawer. Next, attach one part of each drawer slide to the sides of the drawer centered on its height, and the other part of the drawer slide to each inside wall of the box. Join the parts to test the fit. Now position the drawer front and screw it to the drawer sides and to the underside of the plywood drawer base. Now you have a functional storage drawer that fits perfectly under the bed to hold extra clothing, blankets, or even toys. I hope you enjoyed this project. For more easy woodworking projects and tool tutorials, visit thisoldhouse.com. I'm Jenn Largesse, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button. Make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.